Hey guys, Baruch here, and it's TweetTap time where we follow everyone so you don't have to. Today we have a special DNC-themed TweetTap for you, straight from Charlotte, the Queen City. Starting off with Patton Oswalt, who's dreading Thursday's coverage, tweeting, "I'm committing suicide this Thursday by switching back and forth between the DNC and the VMAs. Quote, massive boredom, trauma, the coroner." Well, let's hope it's not that bad. Of course, you can watch the DNC, but you can also get involved and do something. DemConvention tweeting, "Get engaged in the DNC 2012. DemConvention CEO Steve Kerrigan sent the top 5 ways to get involved." Of course, the 2008 Democratic National Convention was a little bit more exciting, but First Lady Michelle Obama is hoping to energize the crowds here tonight, tweeting, "I have so many incredible memories from the 2008 Democratic Convention, and I'm excited to be here in Charlotte. Let's get fired up." Beyond politics, of course, everyone will be looking forward to seeing what the First Lady is wearing tonight. Over the last few years, she has become a bona fide style icon. And Vogue's Andre Leontali's tweeting, "Great expectations. What will First Lady Michelle Obama wear tonight for her speech at DNC? She does inspire as style icon." Actress Ashley Judd, who recently graduated from the Harvard Kennedy School and has become very engaged in politics, tweeted this, "Awesome lineup at Women's Caucus, especially inspiring to see so many women of color. Hashtag DNC 2012. From my experience here on the ground, I can tell you there really has been a stark contrast between the DNC and the RNC in terms of the diversity in the crowd." A slightly depressing tweet coming from Piers Morgan, "Just had a long chat with a homeless ex-Marine on a park bench in Charlotte. Made more sense than most politicians will this week." Ending off as we always do with the Waywire follower, the Obama for America Ohio Twitter handle quoted Frank Beninati, Obama's press secretary in that region. All 3 automakers are up in August. GM up 10, Ford up 12.6, Chrysler up 14. Don't bet against the American worker. Nice to end on some good news, isn't it? Of course, we want to hear what you think, so tweet us at Waywire, tweet me at Baruch Shemtov, shoot us an email at hey@waywire.com, sign up on waywire.com, and of course, subscribe right here.